Oh Lord, the wind. The wind. Okay, so it's quite a crazy day here. The wind, just since I pulled up, has picked up big time. I mean, big time. And I'm hoping that this microphone on my camera does well in high wind. I haven't had a chance to try it in high wind yet, but looks like today's as good a day as any. We've had a couple of weeks that's been really warm, in fact, and above average in temperature, and then the last 2 days the temperature has just dropped. In fact, the meteorologist on the TV this morning said that we are experiencing March type temperatures, and if you're not aware, it's the middle of April. And I just had a memory come up in my Facebook memories day before yesterday where I caught a 3-pound 7-ounce bass, actually right there. I've got a couple of new lures today. We're gonna try for some bass to begin with, and then we're gonna maybe flip it around for some crappie, try to see if we can catch some crappie. Now, I said I got some new lures, and I did get a juicy jig. Okay, let me get over here where you can see it. I did get a juicy jig from Guggen Baits, and I have put a Kraken crawl on there as a trailer. I'm not sure what the color is called. On this green and blue and white jig. Maybe the color coordination will entice a bite, so let's go find out. With this coat on, with it being this cold, I may not be able to put my chest camera on. I know it has wind issues because I do not have an external microphone for it, so we may just put the big camera on the tripod and go fishing with that for now. I may put the chest camera on later, but anyway, let's get out there and flip this around, see if we can get a bite out of this. We'll move over a little bit. I'm telling you, that wind is crazy. Okay, that'll be enough of that. Wind is just crazy. So I'm gonna put on some crappie jigs and see if we can catch a fish on some crappie jigs. Tiny bluegill. Slipped off. Ow. Stop. Tiny bluegill. Nice. Yes. I knew they'd be in here. I knew they'd be in here. This one's kind of long. A little crappie. Nice little crappie. Popcorn crappie. That's what we call them. On the trout magnet. Fishing it real slow with just occasionally, I don't know if you can see me or not because my screen's not turned around, but occasionally reeling it real slow and just occasionally giving it a little twitch like that. Kind of like if you were bumping something Texas rigged off the bottom. I'm gonna move down a little bit. A lot of times when you find crappie, you'll find that there's a bunch of them all together. So we're gonna move down a little bit. I think that one might have been right on the edge of where they're hanging out. We'll move down a little bit, cast in some more, and see if there's any more crappie in that area. So I guess if there's anything you can glean from this, and that is this: don't take any advice from me about bass fishing. Because I obviously don't know what I'm talking about half the time. And then there's days I come out here and I absolutely nail it on the first cast, and all day long it's great like that. I will put 2 more videos up here that you will enjoy if you like this kind of content. I will stick 2 more videos up here and maybe a playlist. You can click on those, try those out. If you're new here, click that subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. See you guys later.